This is my 2015 GM Sierra 3500 Extra Cab 4x4 SLE. It has 165,000 miles on it. A couple of months ago, I started getting an indication on the dash that the rear driver's side door was open, which it was not. At first, this was intermittent, but it progressively got worse until finally it was telling me that the door was open all the time. When that happens, several things don't work. The door lock doesn't work, and all the courtesy lights in the truck stay on whenever you are driving. So if you're driving at night, it's like being on stage with spotlights on you. I ended up putting duct tape over all my courtesy lights. The window doesn't work. So if your problem is currently intermittent, don't put that window down, because if it breaks completely while the window's down, that window is going to be down until you get this problem fixed. One other minor problem on my truck: when you use the key fob to lock the door, if I hit the button twice, the horn beeps to let me know that the door is locked. You don't get that, or I don't. The doors do lock, you just don't get that horn indication that it happened. My job is complete. I'm not going to show you the entire process of what I did, how I did it. There's other videos available on that are pretty good. I'll put a link in the description. I just want to share a couple of things that I learned that might make it easier for you. My online research said the first thing to check was the door lock, which has the sensor in it. I did that, but it turned out not to be the problem. I think I would suggest doing the harness first, because as you will see, that harness gets a lot of twisting between the door and the door jamb and is a common failure point. This is a picture of the connection between the door jamb and the door. My new harness is installed on the top, and the old harness is pictured on the bottom. I split the old harness open, and as you can see, I found a red wire to be completely broken, a black wire to have a spot worn through it, and if you look closely, you can see a crack in the green wire. Every time that door opens and closes, it twists right at that point. And that's where it's very common for it to break, or so I've read. I've also read that it's normally the driver's side rear door that this happens on, because that's the one that gets the most use. It certainly is for me. Every time I need to put anything in and out of the truck, it goes in that door. This is one of the things I wanted to share with you, and that is that the harness is really hard to get in and out right where it enters the door, because it has to go around the channel that holds the front window when it goes up and down. It's really tight right there. There are two bolts that hold that channel in right in this area. I loosened those up, mostly the bottom one, and that gave me enough play that I could get the harness in and out. I wasn't able to do it without loosening that channel. You also have to take the speaker out to get the harness in and out. Don't worry about all the little plastic push connectors. You can cut those off. Those are attached. New ones are attached to the new harness. That's it. Lots of tight spaces and kind of a pain in the butt, but it can be done without too many bad words. Good luck.